morning! So we are almost ready to leave this place nearby this beautiful lake. This is a drinkable water lake. That means you cannot do a lot in here, but there's some restrictions you can do. And now we almost ready to leave this place to TrondheimIt, and we need just resupply, refill our freshwater tank and buy some supplies, and maybe we will see something interesting and beautiful in the city. So those ships just resting on the road. Now we are going into the laundry. This is our laundry day. So we put our clothes into machine and we're going to, I know we have the 30 minutes, so I think we're going to see what's around. We stopped to take a dinner, and yeah, the time flies. We were at the city of short period of time because we need to wash our clothes. Yeah, we got the several minutes to just sneak peek of the old town of the city because parking is very expensive and you can just stay for 3 hours. So we took 2 hours and it cost 72 NOK. Yeah, it's not so cheap. But after that we leave the city and stopped here to take a dinner. Yeah, and after this we will rest for a bit and continue driving in Norway. Just perfect in time for our ferry because it's just arriving.
Turn right.
Arrived here, and right now it's pretty late. It's 15 past 10, and actually we just will go for a sleep. And yeah, what was today? We took a ferry and travel about 2 hours or so. Today in total we drive about 140 kilometers, so it was quite normal distance, I would say. It wasn't very long. We managed to do a lot of jobs actually, and the weather is nice. It's very beautiful sunset actually. I don't know if you could see, but the sun is amazing. It's not cloudy, and I will end this for today. See ya.